English tip by tip.
Tip 26. Pets. For animals. It. For pets. She and he. She is Dolly, my dog. Her puppy is Luna. She is Lady, my cat. Tip 26. Exercise. Complete. Sky is my pet. She is lovely and calm.
Dialogue.
Hi. That's a beautiful dog. What's its name?
Thanks. His name is Buster. He's a golden retriever.
He looks very friendly.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets. I live in an apartment, and pets aren't allowed.
Oh, that's a shame.
Do you take him to the park often?
Yes, we go for walks every morning and he loves to play fetch.
That's great. Well, I have to go now. It was nice talking to you and Buster.
You too. Bye.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.